Today is a super exciting day because our friends at Handy Products are dropping off a bunch of surprises for us, and we cannot wait to see what kind of goodies they have.
Handy Products began as a coffee can and some duct tape in 2001 and has evolved into a lineup of favorites among painters and DIYers. Their products are made in the USA and guaranteed for life. They're easy to clean and simple to use. That's why we love them. Jeff from Handy Products is here today to show us some of his favorites.
The beauty of this, you got an adjustable strap, so when it's your turn to paint, Jeff, you can adjust that to your hand. Ash, you can put it a little tighter for yourself. Beauty of this, throw a quart of paint in there. One of the magical things, we put a magnet on there for the brush. Nice. And then when you're done, you take the liner away, throw it away. Made from 100% recycled plastic. So nice. This will get a lot of miles in this house.
That's awesome.
Okay, you guys. Jeff is obsessed with Handy Products. He tells everyone who comes over to our house all about them. Last week, he started to...
Ash, do we have the... Are you talking about me talking about Handy too much?
No?
We have 2 kids, 2 careers, and have moved 3 times in the last 5 months. To say that we could not have managed this project on our own is an understatement. We are so glad that we partnered with Dorian and his team for this significant undertaking. We sang the praises of Thompson Construction in our last episode, but seriously, you guys, they are the best. They've been here night and day working on every aspect of the house. No detail has gone unnoticed.
So we've talked a lot about electrical, but man, it is turning out just better than we even thought. So we added tons of track lighting up along the beams. We did lots and lots of research on how to increase the quantity of light fixtures in mid-century modern homes, particularly ones with the tongue and groove wood and flat roofs. The terrazzo really transforms the main level. It lightens up the room, and it looks like it's original to the house. In fact, several guests have already commented that they assumed it's always been here. Today is the day that we have been waiting for since August. It's moving day. We are so excited. I literally did not sleep last night.
On our next episode, we finally reveal the finished product. But don't worry, we still have tons of projects left, and we'll continue to share those along the way.
Wait, don't go yet. Want to learn more about Novella? Check us out on novelladesignhouse.com and on all the socials, and don't forget to check out our sponsors.